Good morning.
Time to get some anxiety juice. Nice one, shut the hell up. Shit. Circle K, get some anxiety juice. Quick wake up. Medium cup. Hit that Colombian. Medium. Leave room. Stop. Hey, stop yours, man. Get 3 of these. Get 3 of these. Shut up. Busted. It's an appetizer. What? Never mind. Nope. I'm making it a short day today. Alright, so we got the anxiety juice from Circle K, the best in El Paso. Circle K. Back in Maryland, it was a Wawa. Everybody loves that Wawa. Alright, let's get back on the road and pick this car up. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is, gonna let y'all see for yourself. What? Why are you beeping, man? Cause alarms, dog. Oh, there she go. Yeah. Don't stand on the trailer. Hey, where we at? That boy needs some help.
I think it's because it's time to adjust to the mode. I think so. I thought somebody was sitting there eating, bro. I was about to be on so many.
Alright, YouTube. So, what we're doing today is.
Nah, bro. Nah. Come on. This is a joke.
Alright. But for real though, here we are. We got the 2000 Celica GT. But you probably already guessed that from earlier. But if you didn't, there's the information. It is your host, Jeremiah, aka Bucket Hat Boy, currently putting the car, hopefully not in the ditch. You're almost off the edge. Stop. Okay. The wheel was about to go off the edge, bro. So, yep, here we go. 2000 Celica GT. From here all the way right here. Hopefully in one fell swoop. We're gonna release the ratchets, pull the handbrake out, put it in neutral, and let gravity do its job.
I think they know that.
But like, what if we got viewers who don't know what a handbrake is? He opens the box. There's ratchets, chains, and more ratchets.
I got a question.
And duct tape. What is your question?
Is this a commentary or something?
Yeah, but that doesn't
what
matter
it's
because we are well away from civilization. You make sure it's lined up. He has something to say.
Stop commentating. Set that phone up somewhere. That worked. Now you can get your hands dirty. Get in the car. Alright, well, 2000 Celica pickup, Buckethead boy, Jeremiah. It's gonna be a long project in the making since y'all don't know where he work at, but you'll find out soon enough. So you gotta get them hours in. But hey, appreciate y'all watching. As always, love you guys, love you staying with me. Subscribers are getting up, views are getting up, and if you guys don't mind, man, like I say, get your sweatshirt and a hat and a t-shirt bundle, $50 shipped to you anywhere. Hit me up, make me an offer. Probably won't refuse. Get you some AD merch. Sticker comes with it, just to help support the channel. And now we got another addition to the channel. So 240, which everybody's been waiting on. The G35 was jumped on last year, and now the Celica. I think we won't get any more for the next year or two. You know, just keep it the way it is. But hey, appreciate y'all, love you, and let me go change it.